What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you the black Lamborghini chassis build complete, but there's an issue. I have a front to back longer wheelbase than what it's supposed to be. So the instructions were followed, so I believe this is a Tamiya manual problem. Anyways, showing you installing the A-arms. Clearly you can see the angle of the bottom A-arm is towards the rear. Front towards, straight towards the front. And I looked at all the pictures. Of course, a lot of us guys pay special attention to these manuals because there's a lot of detail. Even up here in this little one, you see the motor there. The angle is towards the rear. That's incorrect. Down here in this picture, it shows you the angle towards the front, which is correct. Correct. Incorrect. Correct. Looks incorrect. Because your top A-arms, this looks to be like the only picture on the top A-arm correct, angle towards the back. But in other pictures, this is upside down. This is the front A-arm. I'm sorry. This is the top A-arm, and the angle is towards the front. Let me show you. I basically assembled this according to this manual. So there's my top A-arm. Angle towards the front, both sides. Straight part of the A-arm towards the back, as it looks upside down. And then you got your bottom A-arm, angle towards the rear. Same way on both sides. And then this picture where it shows you assembling the screws. The angle of the A-arm is towards the rear. And clearly, right here on this A-arm, you can see the angle towards the rear. Straight towards the front. This is all incorrect, guys. If you are having a wheelbase issue with this kit, 110 scale Tamiya Lambo kit. I still love this kit, so fortunately I have the correction for this thanks to my Ready to Run. For reference, I brought this body down just to, before I trim the body out and stuff, you know, just to make sure I follow the lines correctly. And to look at the way the lighting system was installed. So just to follow the instruction, the angles are towards the rear. As you can see, this is incorrect according to the manual. So my RTR shows me they are backwards. The angles are towards the front on the bottom A-arms. And the top A-arms the angle, sorry guys, this one is kind of hard to tell, they look straight apart. Anyways, the angled is towards the rear on top. Basically pushing it forward. Same way with the rear. Keeping that wheelbase forward. So you'll have to take it back apart, guys. Remove the rear bumper. Remove your shocks, take them off. Remove your body mount, which also holds your cover on. And you have to take your 2 screws off. This one and the bottom one. Both sides. And of course take your axles out, just lay them aside. Remove your cover off. Get to where you have to flip your A-arms around. Flip the top one around, flip the bottom around on both sides to correct your wheelbase issue. Put it all back together and you should have the correct wheelbase. And look as it should look. The correct wheelbase. So I hope this video helps any of you guys who have this kit and you're having this issue. Luckily I had the ready to run for reference to share with you guys and fix this issue. So I was hoping to have a completed chassis build, body build, you know, ready for paint, and later on ready for the electronics, but unfortunately not. So I didn't want to correct this yet. I decided to do this video for you guys if any of you guys have this issue with this kit and the correct way the rear end should be. So that's all I got for you guys for now, man. I hope this helps and have a good one.